Good morning, guys. It's me, Toffee. Look where I am. Still in bed. But guess what? Today, we're going on a super duper exciting adventure. Can you guess where? Comment below. No, I'm not telling you yet. You have to watch till the end to find out. Beautiful weather today. My buddy's super excited too. He is so big in front of me. Anyways, let's go. I'm always scared of such elevators. Are you also scared like me? This fresh air is just the best. I feel so good. It's refreshing. Let's sing Tune 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 Sahorar. Finally, we have arrived the place where we will take the ferry and go. My bud already booked the tickets online. It is very crowded today. So we are going to the center island. I always like going in the ferry. It reminds me of Titanic movie. Haha. Wow, I see a lot of families. It's Sunday after all, it has to be crowded. Look at all of my fans. Labubu is famous worldwide. My bud is showing off his Labubu. Haha. I love you, bud. Yay, time to go. I love this wind. Very peaceful. Check the world-famous CN Tower behind me. Mesmerizing beauty. Please support my bud's YouTube channel. I wish I could explain in words how great I am feeling right now. Please do not throw me in the water, bud. I can't swim. I feel like Superman. There is one small airport nearby. Check. The flight is landing. Yay! We have arrived at Toronto Island. Life jacket is important. Super excited to explore the island. Here we are, Center Island. People are already starving and eating at Subway. Haha! Welcome to Canada. I am tired of walking. Need to rest a bit.
No. Toffee, we have to explore the island. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Welcome to Centreville, Fun Amusement Park. Car ride, wow. Sunny day today. I might get tanned. Wow, this looks super cool. Look at my bud, again showing off his Labubu to everyone. Another car ride, wow. I can't go there. I don't want to get wet. This is super fun. Look at them enjoying. Haha. I am scared to do this. Roller coasters are always fun. Do you like riding them? There are people above me. Time to explore the farm. Hi, goat. Will you become my friend?
I will become a friend if you will make people like this video.
Okay, deal. What birds are these? This is a beautiful peacock. Fun fact, peacocks are the national bird of India. I found another goat. Hello. Hey, you donkey. I am little scared to touch these horses. It was written touch on your own risk. They might bite. But nice to meet you all beautiful horses. Seriously, very beautiful. Hi guys, I am Toffee.
Nice to meet you, Toffee.
Alpaca. Don't stare at me like this, otherwise I will bite you. Good girl. Moo. Do I also look like a rabbit? Wow, you are resting in peace. Enjoy, Birdie. My bud wanted to say bye to the horses. He loved them. I am very tired now. It was a long day. Finally, our last visit, and we will head back home. My bud just loves me too much. Okay, let's go now. Bye, Toronto. I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button and subscribe. Until then, see you next time. Ciao, ciao.